Alright, this is gonna be a video today. It's gonna be kind of like, it's from Emma. We've done some videos. She hasn't posted them in a little while, so I'm gonna go ahead and do one myself. It's a what's inside video, and today I'm gonna be doing this light bulb blue, and it has this weird sound at the bottom. I'll see if you can listen. I don't know what that is. My dad didn't either, and he said you should see what's inside it. So here we go. And I'm back. I've got it right here on the light bulb. So yeah. I don't really know the best way to get in this, but I was just thinking I could take something. Safety first. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna take my hatchet here and just kind of hit it on the back side where it's not so sharp, and hopefully it will just okay, so it's a little bit stronger. Okay, there we go. We're in it. So I'm not really a good scientist here, but I know this is your actual light, and if you look at it, you can see that it is blown. And this light was one that could be adjusted. You could adjust the bulb, the brightness. And basically, there's the glass. It has like this white powder on it. See how it's like clear glass? It has like a white powder. It's kind of everywhere. I don't really know what that is, but get that right there. You see, it's like flaking off. I don't really know what that is, but yeah, sorry about this, Emma. I really wanted to do this, so I said, hey, I'm gonna do it, so I ain't doing nothing tonight. That's what's inside a light bulb. Peace.